Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how do you work with GitHub Copilot. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com. If you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here in the upper right corner. We can get started logging in. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and sign up for a new account. And if you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally. And once you have logged in, now we can get started. So by logging in, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here. You can take a look at our top repositories. We have our homepage right here. We can find all our info and so on. And now we can get started. So basically, guys, Copilot is going to be your AI powered code help that's going to enable you to go ahead and work with it. That's going to give you AI help and any tips that you might be using in coding. And this is how we can access it. As you can see right here in their homepage, immediately we have an option that says Code with Copilot. This is going to enable us to develop with AI powered code suggestions using GitHub Copilot and so on. So basically, if you click on this, it's going to open up this new page where we can get started with downloading Copilot and adding it for our GitHub repositories. This is how we can get started. You can start the course to go ahead and take a look at the steps one by one on what you can do it. But you can also access Copilot right here from the upper right corner by clicking on your profile icon. Clicking on your profile icon is going to open up this new drop down menu with all the options you can access, and one of the options is going to be called your Copilot. That's going to take you to this page right here where you can get started using Copilot for free. That's again going to take you right here where we can get started with using the monthly plan, yearly plan, and so on if you want the pro version. But yeah, that's how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.